Okay, maybe network. Okay, I got your point. You cannot hear me because maybe. Okay, so yeah, thank you. I'm from Odisha. What about you? I'm from Od. Okay, are you a student or working? Which department are you studying? Okay, are you born and raised in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Okay, right now you are studying in there, right? Okay, do you stay in hostel or do you stay with any relative house or what else? Okay, so nice. Then after completing your graduation, what you wanna be? Okay. Then do you want to enhance your English speaking? Okay. How much time do you invest through platform per day? Okay. Since when did you join this platform? Okay. That's good. And do you prepare food yourself or do you purchase food from outside? Okay. Right now you are not in comfort zone? Miss, I mean to say right now, where are you? Are you at your campus or what else? Because you speak slowly. Oh my goodness, right now, no any professor inside your classroom? Okay, that's why you are talking with a stranger, right? Because why you lose your time, right? Because right now you get free time, then you interact with the stranger, it is a better for you. Do you talk with anyone in English inside campus? Do you interact with your professor? Okay, which language do you use? Okay, then you don't have atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, right? Okay, then it is a good. This platform is a very good platform, right? Because if you interact with the language learner, stranger, then you have to speak with them in English because you don't have different option, right? English is one medium to interact with them. Oh, no, I'm not a student. I have completed my graduation. Right now, I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. You know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in 5 to 10 minutes daily. Right? Yeah, that's why. How far from your residence to your college? Oh my goodness. How do you go there? Do you have any pardon? By train. Okay. What time do you go to your college? What time do you come back from college? Hmm? What? Mhm. Okay. Then have you visited all means part of Delhi? Have you visited in different place within Delhi? Okay. Do you? Hmm. Right, right. I think so. Maximum your state people, special Bihar state student,